In this video, I'm going to show you how you can validate the output of large language model with the help of Pydantic library in Python. Pydantic is one of the most popular library in Python when it comes to data validation. And these days, when LLMs and AI is the norm, Pydantic has become more relevant. Pydantic has been around for quite some time, and recently they had a new version which is better than before. Pydantic, in very simple words, is a data validation and settings management library in Python which uses Python type annotations to validate the data. It allows for simpler, more robust, and more efficient data parsing and validation, making it particularly useful for building APIs, data parsing in web frameworks like Fast API or configuration management in application. Pydantic models are the core feature of Pydantic library. Now let me take you to the code and it will be better explained there. So let me log into my VS Code Studio and I will show you the code there. Now, this is the code which I have written in order to show you the Pydantic demo. Now, what I have been doing here is that I already have installed Pydantic and OpenAI library because that is what I'm going to use, and I have already set my OpenAI's API key. If you don't have these things, simply type pip install OpenAI or pip install Pydantic, something like this on your system, and you should be good to go. I already have done it, and then I've also set my OpenAI API key, which you can get from uh, platform.openai.com. So I already have set it. Now, what is happening in this code is that I have imported these Pydantic libraries. I have instantiated an OpenAI client, and then I have defined two Pydantic models. Pydantic model, as I said earlier, they are the core feature of Pydantic library. They are the classes that inherit from the base model, as you can see here, and define the structure of your data. For example, I have defined a class of books, and the structure of data is name is string, author is string. So I will use Pydantic to validate it. So the purpose of this code is to ask my large language model to give me the name of the books and authors of those books. I will only provide the book's name, and then LLM will return the response, and then Pydantic will validate that it's a correct JSON format. So we'll be validating the data plus a JSON format with the help of Pydantic, and the thing which we will be validating will be the LLM response. For that reason, I have defined two models here from Pydantic, and this is not the model like large language model. This is just a Pydantic concept of model where it is used this books model and books and author models. So the first model is simply defining the structure of the data where name of the book and author of the book both are strings, and then when the books will be returned, we will be putting them in a list or array. Then I am simply calling my GPT 3.5 from OpenAI with the completion, and I am passing it the role of user and then names of two books, Dune and Meditation. So this is one of the modern books. This is one of the very ancient book by Marcus Aurelius. Now, so I'm just passing it book's name, and then I am using these tools from OpenAI to return me the author's name of these books. So first I'm defining the function, and in this tool, and tool is simply a concept of OpenAI which consists of multiple functions. But in these tools, I have defined only one function, but you can define multiple functions here so that you will have one tool to accomplish a task. So the function here is, the name of function is reading list, and description that it is a list of books and their authors, and then I am calling this books and author dot model JSON schema, and this is a class which I have defined here, which will convert it into the output of the LLM into list. This is a parameter I'm passing it. Okay, and this is primarily taking this books, which is this book. Cool. And now, and this is where I'm passing it the message here as an input, and then tools choice simply referring to the fact that we are calling this reading list function from the tools, this one. Once this is called, I am printing the response. So let me run this. So I'm just saying in the small case instructor.py, this is simply the name of my function. So let me run it. There you go. So it has returned me the name of the book, and author is Frank Herbert, whereas the meditation is by Marcus Aurelius. How cool is that? Now you can see that it is properly in the list format here, and it has validated it. So you can be sure that the output of your LLM call, API call will be always be in this structure. So this is how you can use it. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you the demo of it. So if you're doing any data validation of your data set or the responses of LLM, you can use Pydantic library with ease. If you still have any questions or issues, please put them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.